Hello. So let's continue the data production here. So let's talk about the mirroring data production. So the mirroring data production has different types in which it starts from 2x to 8x mirroring. So 2x to 8x mirroring is nothing but having a duplicate copy of original file from 1 to 7. So if it's 2x, then there are 2 copies. It's 3x, then 3 copies up to 8. It goes up to 8 copies, 1 to 7 copies of original, excluding the original file. So this is how the mirroring happens on Isilon. So the mirroring happens explicitly when the production option is set to mirroring, or if the data file is very less in the sense when the data file is less than 128 KB, that is less than a stripe unit, automatically Isilon takes that particular piece of file into a mirroring data production. So there may be use cases where we'll have a file with less than 128 KB and that particular file will be considered as a mirror data production. So seeing detail about the data production, so here is the n plus 1 production concept. So n is a data stripe units in the file, and simultaneously we have m for number of failed drives or failed nodes according to the production level. And here you can see how the striping is happening for an n plus 2n data production. So here there are 5 node cluster where the blue color stripes are the production and the green are the data stripe units. So according to n plus 2n and according to the size of the file, Isilon calculates the FEC and places it explicitly on a node where it can help to retrieve the data if there is a loss according to the tolerance. So here we can see on node 1 there is a production FEC, and node 2 there is a data stripe unit, and node 3 and again there is a FEC stripe unit, and node 4 there is a data stripe unit, and in node 5 again there is a data stripe unit. So this is how one of us calculates the data stripe unit and according to the FEC for that and places it on the nodes across the pool. So that's it for this lecture. We'll see on the next lecture.